My name is Courtney Stern. I am from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm the property manager of AMA Plaza. We use the BOMA 360 best practices every day in managing the building from an operational standpoint. So, when you walk into the building as a property manager, you immediately notice things like how clean is the lobby to how clean are the hallways. Are all the tenants happy with the temperature that is in the building at the time? Is everything working properly? Checking in on all of the major mechanical items, as well as making sure to be keeping all your LEED practices in line as well, while maintaining a pleasant building for all of the tenants. And it really helps create a baseline for where the building should be and implement procedures that you might not have thought you needed or even known were required, and get everything in kind of like a structure. We have definitely experienced better tenant satisfaction, and I would say energy savings for sure. With BOMA 360, we have been able to not only become the local winner of the Toby Award, but we were also able to win regional, and which is why we're here right now competing in the over 1 million square feet building competition.
And the winner of the 2016 International Toby in the over 1 million square feet category is AMA Plaza, managed by Riverview Realty Property Management.
My name is Courtney Stern. I am with Riverview Realty Partners, and I work at the AMA Plaza building, which is a BOMA 360 building in Chicago, Illinois.